What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be comparing 3 different USB microphones from the same company, which is Fifine. It doesn't matter how you pronounce it. It is all good. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the Fifine T669 versus the Fifine K683A versus the Fifine T732. So all of these microphones sell around the same price. The Fifine T669 sells around $60. The Fifine K683A sells around $53, $54. And the Fifine T732 sells around $50. Before we get into comparing the audio, I'm going to talk about a little bit of features and what you get with each microphone. With the Fifine T669, you actually get a boom arm, pop filter, this kind of pop filter right here, and you also get a foam for your microphone. So you get that with the T669. That's it. You get a boom arm, a pop filter, and a foam around your microphone with the cable and the connection to the PC. That's it. The T669 does have a knob for controlling the audio in the front. So this is the T669. The K683A does not have a boom arm, does not come with a boom arm. It does come with a pop filter, a different type of pop filter, which is this kind right here. I don't know if you can see it. I actually prefer this pop filter over the other kind because it's just more stable on the microphone and it just sits right like this on the microphone. I prefer that. The Fifine K683A does come with a knob to adjust the audio. It does come with a mute button, which is incredible, and it comes with a headphone jack in the back so you can listen to the feedback instantly. This is the only microphone from these microphones that can connect via Type-C, so you can connect that directly to your phone or PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. This is the only one that uses Type-C as a connection and normal USB, so the cable at the end splits into 2. But you do not get a boom arm, you do not get a foam, you just get a pop filter and the connection and a stand that comes with it that just sits on your desk. So, and the final one is the Fifine T732. This is the most recent edition of their microphones. It's much taller, as you can see, and the rest of them. It does come with a boom arm, the same pop filter that comes with T669, which is this one, and it comes with a foam as well, and an 8-foot connection to normal USB to your PC. So, but this microphone does not have any knob in the front, does not have any headphone jack in the back. The only difference is it's taller. It does have a bigger diameter in the middle, which gives it a little bit more crisp audio, in my personal opinion. Just so you guys know, I've reviewed all these microphones individually. I'll leave all those links down below in the description or over here so you can click on them somewhere. So if you want to watch more in-depth unboxing or whatever, you can click on that and watch that later. But for now, as you can see, they all sell around the same price, which is $50 to $60. They all offer different features. They all sound pretty similar. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead, plug in each microphone individually, test it with the boom arm that I have right here. This is the boom arm that comes with the T732. We're gonna test each one individually and we'll review the audio and we'll just talk a little bit more about my own preferences after that. So let's do that. All right, guys, so we have the first microphone plugged in. This is the Fifine T669. This is the one that sells around $60, the most popular of all Fifine microphones out there, as far as I know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do 3 tests. Test number 1 going on the Fifine T669 is an audio test. What is going on, guys? My name is Give Him Chills. I'm a streamer, YouTuber. I create content on TikTok and I find tech deals for you guys over here on YouTube and TikTok. So make sure you subscribe and follow and like on all socials. Audio test on the K683A going in 1, 2, 3. What is going on, guys? My name is Give Him Chills. I'm a content creator on YouTube and TikTok as well. I post daily tech deals on TikTok and I post weekly on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and follow on all my socials. And that was it for I Can't Breathe. Test number 1, which is an audio test going on the T732 now. What is going on, guys? My name is Give Him Chills. I'm a content creator on YouTube, TikTok. I post daily tech deals on TikTok and weekly unboxing and review videos on YouTube. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to support the channel, and follow me on all the socials. Background noise on the Fifine T669 going in 1, 2, 3, and silence. Test number 2 on the K683A is going to be background noise going in 1, 2, 3, and go. Test number 2 on the 2732 is a background noise going in 1, 2, 3 and silence. Keyboard noise going on the T669 in 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Test number 3 on the K683A is going to be a keyboard noise test going in 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Test number 3 on the T732 is going to be a keyboard noise test going in 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Alrighty guys, now that we've tested all 3 microphones, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. I'm gonna listen to all the videos we just recorded, compare all the different sections that we did, and I'm gonna give you my honest feedback about these microphones. I've used all these 3 microphones at different times, streaming, creating content, making YouTube videos. I've used all of those 3 microphones in different times, and I love all of them. They're all incredible microphones. So I'm just going to listen one more time to the sound tests that we just did, and I'll let you know. So stay there. Whew. Take a breath, take a breath, take a breath. Okay guys, so I just listened to all the audio tests that we did on all 3 microphones individually. Obviously I do those 3 tests because it's like the most common thing that somebody that is just average consumer should worry about. Or if you're a gamer or a streamer, you don't need to worry about more than that, like all the crazy specs of audio stuff that you don't really care for unless you're an audio person that cares about that stuff. But nevertheless, I just listened to the audio on all 3 microphones, and I have a personal preference. I'm gonna say one thing that stands out about each microphone, and I'm gonna choose which one I would choose if I was buying one for streaming or content creator, okay? So, the Fifine D669 has an incredible audio. It is very, very crisp, very clear, that you never have to worry about. The K683 has a richer sound to it. So if you're a singer or somebody that wants more of like the whole profile of your sound and how you sound, I would prefer the K683A for that. And it has some features to it. And then there's the T732, which in my opinion is a better sounding microphone than the T669, but with less features because it does not have a knob and it's cheaper. So, as you've noticed probably, the T732 picks up less noise than the T669. And then there's the K678, which picks up more noise than all other 2. So my choice is the T669 just because I like the knob and it sounds very similar to the T732 and has really crisp audio, which in my opinion is very important if you're doing content creating, because I like that closeness, and I like when you're watching somebody's video or stream and they sound like they're just clear and close to the microphone, and it's nice. It feels, I don't know, I just prefer that personally. For that reason, the winner of this competition is still the T669, as it comes on top of all Fifine microphones in my opinion. It's just a simple, great design that works. It's small, it's not gonna be in your face. It sells around $60 for an incredible bundle. But yeah, that was my opinion of this video. Again, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions about these microphones, please drop them in the comments. I will respond to them personally, or Fifine themselves might actually respond to the YouTube channel. If you're interested in buying any of these 3 microphones, I'll put all the links down below in the description. They're all incredible microphones, have zero cons in my opinion. So at this point, we're just competing like preferences, right? Like, what do you prefer? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.